put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. So this week we have just a quick little video. I don't know if you guys know, but last year was the first time I attempted to do my braids by myself. I'll insert a picture. Okay, this is the first time I'll insert, and I'll insert a picture of the second time, which was last October. It was like a graded blue. It looked really good, and they look professional. Nobody thought I did them myself. How I did them myself was with the rubber band method, because like, I don't have a problem braiding. It's gripping the hair that is my issue. So I just wanted to tape how I did it. Yes, this color may be not your color, and it wasn't supposed to be mine. This was supposed to be like a light peach. I bought this from AliExpress, but it's the wrong color, but it's okay. I move, and it kind of, look, I'm kind of Ivory Parking, so it was a bad mistake, but I'm okay with it at this point, and I'm only going to keep it 30 days, and we're already a week down. So yeah, if you would like to see how I got my I would say medium to large, because I got some fuller braids, knotless, Rubberband method box braids, keep on watching.